Is question 5 on page 12 from our third meeting yesterday evening. The question is, if a fair die is rolled 3 times, what is the probability that at least one of the 2 rolls will be a 2? In other words, we're looking for the probability that on 3 rolls, say 1, 2, 3, that we will observe a 2 at least once. And with such a GMAT probability question, in which you read at least, it is best solved by the so-called 1 minus x probability shortcut. So the probability that we observe at least, that we observe a 2 at least once, that's actually the opposite probability of not observing a 2 at all. So the probability we are looking for is 1 minus the probability of not observing a 2 at all. Now, the probability of not observing a 2 at the first roll is 5/6. The probability of not observing a 2 in the second roll is also 5/6. And on the third roll, it's also 5/6. So the probability of not observing a 2 at all in the 3 rolls is 1/25 over 2/16. So the probability that at least one of the rolls will be a 2 is then the opposite of that, which is 1 minus 125 over 216, which you can rewrite as 216 over 216 minus 125 over 216, and that boils down to 91 over 216.